Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. This is an up-to-date update. I am still in Fredericksburg, Virginia, helping Leave It to Cleve with his S70. Man, what is wrong with this S70? Let's just say everything. Feels like a hostage situation, but hopefully we'll get it past the inspection and emissions today, and hopefully wrap the rest of what this vehicle needs today. Do a couple things on the C70, maybe get out of here today, tomorrow or Friday. I'm going to try to visit someone else in Fredericksburg. I'm kind of disappointed that I didn't get to meet some more people out here, but man, this car is sucking up some time. Man, it's sucking up some time. So let me get started on this. First thing I'm going to do is pull the door panel, pull the door latches, and rebuild those door latches so that these power locks will work with it. Off the day in OKC, finally got up after my long night drive in here, late night drive in here, and getting ready to go for my walk. What's this? I ain't even got to worry about this happening when I'm in Albuquerque, whether or not it's raining. Can't even go for my walk. Maybe I could do it with an umbrella. Little Rock, Arkansas, getting ready to change his shift assembly because his somehow broke off. Open the door, Ando, so we can see how the shifter broke.
Don't give me any shift.
Dang! The whole thing! He must have thought it was a Tootsie Pop or something.
What's that?
Oh my God.
I shift in reverse and this is what comes out.
You can't be power shifting like you got to stick with this thing. So it's got your shift handle and stuff on there. So we're going to go ahead and pull the center console, disconnect all that stuff, put the one in that came from Queen. Oh, that came from Panther. He's getting the auto shifter assembly out of Panther. He's going to have a part of a legend on this car. Going back together with it, I'm going to clean this dirt out of this glass here. I'm not sure which one of these windows. Probably this is the window that shows it. But anyway, I'm going to dust that off, clean this off, put this bracket down in here and bolt this stuff up. Put this center console back together. There's a link in the comments below. Trying to figure out how to get this shifter off this rod. I guess I'll get Ando to grab it with some vice grips. Look at that thing, just broke right off. Put everything else together. Just need to put the shifter and the little leather pad on there from in that seat. There it is, folks. Ando is good to go. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.